Happy Friday evening. I'm 10 Weather Impact meteorologist Mike Joyce, tracking a chilly night here in central Ohio. Temperatures will dip into the low 20s for Saturday morning due to a clear sky and very little wind. That's the perfect ingredient to cool us down for a very winter-like temperature. But clouds will start increasing by about 8 o'clock Saturday morning, and then we're all mostly cloudy by noon here in central Ohio. And pretty quiet, but in that state up north, taking on that team up north, the Buckeyes are looking at a very cold game tomorrow. Warm-ups not very warm at all in the mid-20s, upper 20s to nearly 30 at kickoff at noon, and some flurries developing for the first half. But it does appear that we could see some heavier snow showers for the second half of the game, with temperatures not even getting higher than 30. So we're going to have to watch that very closely to see how that impacts the Buckeyes offense and, of course, defense too. Hopefully they're bringing home a win, but once we get back to central Ohio, we're going to start to see some light snow showers start around sunset tomorrow. And then by 7 p.m., a couple of these snow showers, especially northwest, could be moderate to heavy at times, and that threat for snow will last all the way until after midnight, maybe even a heavy band or two. And then that transitions to a mix and possibly even a few rain showers by Sunday morning. So we can see some accumulation, then a switch over to rain for Sunday morning, and then quieting by Sunday afternoon. So we do have a weather impact alert because of that. Significant snow possible for some of our communities Saturday evening through Sunday a.m. That's when the weather impact alert will be in effect for light to moderate snow. The real reason, though, is for those folks who are driving back from Ann Arbor tomorrow night. We are looking at difficulty driving because the snow totals will be much higher there in that similar time frame. So we are looking at anywhere between 4 to maybe 6 inches of snow in southern Michigan and northwest Ohio, with some pockets of 8 inches plus off to the west, and that could shift a little bit. For us here locally, though, we're looking at about an inch or two, which is still significant if you're heading out the door Sunday morning, and maybe 2 to 4 inches for Kenton, Marion, Bucyrus, Mansfield, Mount Gilead, and maybe even some locally higher totals. To the south, US 33, Southeast Ohio, Hocking Hills, we're looking at about a trace to an inch. But we do have a winter weather advisory for Delaware, Franklin, and Madison and Union County. That will run from 7 a.m. tomorrow until 9 a.m. Sunday because of that threat for snow. The weather impact alert will end Sunday afternoon. Monday, quiet and cold, 33. But then on Tuesday, another system that we're watching. We're still fine-tuning this, but it does appear we'll have enough cold air and moisture for some snow Tuesday morning through the afternoon. So this could be impactful for Tuesday's morning. But after that, just some scattered snow showers, and the cold air does not go away. Welcome to winter.